Why this fake store wanted her payment to fail. The payment failed. So she tried again. And the second time, it worked. That failure wasn't a glitch. It was exactly what the fake shop wanted. Let's call her Mira. Her story is a composite, but the scam behind it is very real. It started the way most of these stories start. A scroll, an ad, a pair of running shoes she'd wanted for months. 70% off. Warehouse clearance today only. The site looked right. Good photos, customer reviews, a little padlock in the address bar. So she paid. For 11 days, the tracking page said the same 3 words. Preparing for dispatch. Day 12, the page was gone. And so was the store. Then her bank flagged a charge she didn't recognize. That's where this gets interesting. I'm Locky, and that payment error may not have been an error at all. The first checkout page can be a copy. It captures your card details, shows you an error, then sends you on to a real payment page to try again. So the second checkout took her money. The first one took something potentially more valuable. Her card details. 1 order. 2 ways to lose. And a shop like Mira's is rarely a one-off website. Researchers at SR Labs uncovered a network of more than 75,000 fraudulent shop domains. But here's the part that made them hard to spot. The clever part wasn't the code. It was the domains. Many used expired domains that already had a reputation in Google search, so the fake shops could look more established. And people are still walking through that same door. In 2025, the FTC found shopping was the most reported type of social media scam, and more than 4 in 10 people who reported losing money to a social media scam had ordered something they saw in an ad. So how do you shop online without becoming a story? 1. Search before you spend. Take the shop's name and search it with the word reviews or the word scam. 30 seconds of searching beats 30 days of waiting. 2. Pay with protection. Use a credit card or a wallet that lets you dispute a charge. If a store only takes bank transfers, gift cards, or crypto, that's your answer right there. 3. Don't treat the ad as proof the shop is real. Open a fresh tab and check the store independently, away from anything the seller controls. Locky's golden rule. Check the shop, not just the price. Because the price is the bait. The shop is the trap. The next fake store may look even better. Subscribe to CyberBlink and you'll know what to look for. Think safe, click smart, stay ahead.